In order to know when the button is clicked, you can set a OnClickListener. So here I've got roll button, I'm going to call set OnClickListener. This setter takes a single lambda function, which is triggered every time that button is clicked. To make sure that this is all working correctly, I'm actually going to show something called a toast. A toast is a message that will pop up on our screen for a short period of time. I'm going to use one here just to show something visually changing when we click our button. To create a toast, go ahead and call toast.makeText. This method requires three things: a class called context, the actual message that you want to show, and then the duration for which to show the message. Let's focus on this context object. The context object allows you to communicate with and get information about the current state of the Android operating system. The good news is that an activity is actually a subclass of context. This toast needs access to a context so that it is some way to tell the operating system to actually display the toast. And again, since our activity is a context, I can actually just type this here. I'm going to keep it simple and just have the message say button clicked. And finally, we need the duration. Here, I'm going to use a standard length of time, which is just toast.lengthShort. And again, this is how long the toast will be on screen before fading away. And finally, to get your toast to actually show, so make sure that you do this, call the show method. Alright, and now with this OnClickListener and this one very important line of text that's making the toast, I'm going to go ahead and run my app. Alright, now for the moment of truth, let me press this button. And I see that my toast appears and fades away, exactly as expected.